Are you ready to elevate your creative projects with the cutting-edge capabilities of Flux AI in Stable Diffusion? In this tutorial, we'll explore how to harness the power of Flux AI to generate stunning images from text prompts. Let's dive in. What is Flux AI? Flux AI is a next-generation text-to-image diffusion model developed by Black Forest Labs. It combines multimodal diffusion and transformers blocks boasting 12 billion parameters, which allows it to produce highly detailed and coherent images. This model enhances the alignment between textual description and visual outputs, making it a powerful tool for creators. Actionable steps to use Flux AI. Set up your environment. Begin by ensuring you have the latest version of Stable Diffusion installed alongside Flux AI. You can find comprehensive setup guides on platforms like Think Diffusion. Craft your text prompt. Use the clip text encode node to transform your text prompt into an embedding. This step is crucial as it guides the diffusion model toward generating specific images. Adjust parameters for optimal results. Utilizing the Flux guidance feature, which helps refine image generation, set it lower than the control flow guidance used in Stable Diffusion for better results. Incorporate LoRa models. If you want to add more complexity, integrate Flux-specific LoRa models into your workflow. Load a LoRa node between your K-sampler and Way decode nodes. Select your desired Flux LoRa. Run your Q prompt. After setting up your nodes and parameters, execute the Q prompt to generate your image. Make sure to check the output for quality and fidelity. Flux AI represents a significant advancement in your generative image technology, offering creators unparalleled tools to bring their vision to life. By following these steps, you can leverage its capabilities to produce high-quality images that adhere closely to your prompts. Don't forget to experiment with different settings and prompts. Creativity knows no bounds. Happy creating.